I'm Peter. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Duan. Efficiency is the backbone of any successful trade. Let's look at how to master your digital office today.
Learn how to upload documents to files in Xero and create a bill from a document. To access the file library, click the organization name in the top left of your screen, then click Files. Files allows you to upload, store, manage, and attach documents to financial transactions in Xero. To upload documents, you can drag and drop them, email them directly into Files using the unique email address in the top right corner, or browse your computer to add them. To upload files from your computer, click Upload File. Search for and select the file or files. Then click Open. Once uploaded, you can move documents to folders to keep your file library organized. To create a folder, click New Folder. Then enter a name for the folder. For example, Office Refurbishments or Fixed Assets. Then click Save. To move a file into a folder, use the checkbox on the left-hand side to select the file, then click Move To and select the folder. It's important to note that if you create a transaction, such as a bill, from a document in the inbox rather than a folder, Xero removes the document from the files library and attaches it to the transaction. If you want to retain a copy of the document in Files, you must first move it to a folder. Now let's look at creating a bill from a document in Files. Find your uploaded bill and select the checkbox. Click Add to New. Then select Bill. Enter the relevant transaction details from the paperwork. In this example, we'll add the contact, dates, description, the amount, and choose the relevant account code to categorize the expense. When you're ready, click Approve to finalize the bill. Xero creates the bill with the file attached, so you can easily view the paperwork relating to the transaction.